Hey guys! Kumusta? Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? For this video, I just wanted to share with you guys yung mga character traits ng Belgians. Since we are here in Belgium, game si Zik. Zik, wait lang. Kay Mama is talking first. Please. Okay, so, isa-isahin ko. So, I think there are 4 or 5 mainly characters of Belgians. First na character is they are tolerant. Belgians are tolerant. Tolerant kasi in a way na they are easy, they are fast to accept behavior kahit sa mga taong hindi taga dito. They really are fast to accept the culture of the other people nila, yung culture, yung beliefs. So, they are all open to that. Belgians are tolerant with that. Secondly naman is about flexible. Belgians are so flexible. And also guys, even the feelings, your opinions, they are really open to that. Kasi Belgium is a free country. Yung mga taong may mga kanya-kanyang opinions, Belgium will accept it. Hindi sila yung tipong katulad ng mga nasa Pinas, let's say for example na once na nag-open up ka about your feelings and emotions and etc. Or kunyari kapag galit ka sa isang kaibigan mo, then bigla kang mag-open up. Sa kanila, they will really accept that and they are all ears. Bibigyan ka talaga ng attention kasi gusto nilang marinig yung side mo. Sa Pinas naman, when it comes to that, so there are people na mostly pag nag-open up ka to the person whom you wronged with, yung tendency nagiging parang the more na nag-aaway or the more na nagiging hindi nagkakabati or the more na hindi nag-uusap after the open up of the feelings or opinions kasi may conflicts nga. But yeah, here in Belgium, people are actually open to that. Everyone is free to express their opinions and ideas and feelings and emotions. Ayan, kaya nagiging tolerance ang mga Belgians when it comes to that. So, second one is flexible. Belgians are so flexible. So, when it comes to jobs and works, so especially if you are with a family of your own, let's say for example, there are cases na kailangan ka ng anak mo. But as long as when it comes to your family, when it comes to your child specifically, mabibigyan kanila kaagad ng solusyon or there are temporary days pwede kang mag-leave from work. Ang mga Belgians, pagdating dun sa mga trabaho or companies, pagka there are times na kailangan mong makiusap because there are reasons na kailangan mong i-tailor yung schedules mo at work. So, mabilis silang pakiusapan, mabilis silang i-approach. Based on my experience lang naman yan. But I could say na Belgians are really flexible kasi even making appointments, guys. Syempre, as a Filipina, parang nasanay ako sa Pinas na ang hirap naman ito. Ang hirap naman gumawa ng appointments or here in Belgium, guys, there are a lot of possibilities. For you, it's impossible to do. Pero pagdating dito sa Belgium, guys, there's always a solution. So, unless ikaw na yung magsasabi na, ay, kailangan ko mag-back out, kailangan ko mag-quit kasi parang hindi ito yung gusto ko. So, ayun, saka lang mag-back out. Kasi pagdating nga sa bank, sa mga appointments, sa mga doctors, or sa pag-a-apply ng work dito, there's always a solution. There's always an easy way to make it possible. So, the third one is being modest. Belgians are modest. When it comes to wearing dress, a lot of people are still wearing a decent dress, decent clothes. Still, of course, there are people who are also wearing clothes na parang super liberated, which is we cannot avoid kasi dito sa Belgium, it's a western country. Ang mga Belgians parang may pagka-shy type sila, guys, in a way na kunyari pagka nag-work ka as cleaner, so most of the people will respect your privacy. So, based on my experience, kasi, ang trabaho ko dito, guys, naglilinis ako ng mga bahay-bahay. I never experienced na, pag during my linis time, nandun nakaupo yung mga clients ko or parang nagdidisturbo sila. So, it's an opposite way na every time during naglilinis ako, lagi silang maalis. Or, for example, naglilinis ako sa taas, so bababa sila. Doon sila mag-stay na muna. So, yun. Kaya nasasabi ko, based on my experience, na mga Belgians are modest. Kahit mapabahay pa man nila yan, so still, they will gonna respect your privacy. Hala, Zik, ano ba yan? Based on my experience, they are actually nice people. May pagkamahiyain lang sila in a way na they are actually reserved. Tapos, hindi sila yung, kunyari, mag-hi hello sila. Hanggang doon lang. Pero, hindi sila magsasabing, let's say for example, ay, how are you? Ganon-ganon lang. And then right after that, when you say, okay lang, and you? And so, it ends up there unless mag-add ka pa ng additional information. But actually, they're not pakialamero. So, ayan. So, kasi, I have experience kasi dito, there are Pinoys na pagka nasa ibang bansa, may nakita ka sa street na mga kapwa Pinoy mo, and then, gusto nilang tanungin ka kaagad, alam mo yon yung mga personal information about you guys, about kung ilang taon ka na dito sa Belgium, kung may family ka dito sa Belgium, kung may asawa ka, is he from Belgium or from the Philippines? Alam mo yun, guys, yung parang nagiging too deep na yung mga informations na gusto nilang marinig coming from you, but it's actually not appropriate. So guys, pang-apat is being open-minded. So Belgians are really open-minded people. This has something to do with being tolerant. They like to learn new ideas, new knowledge, new possibilities in life. Nagiging open sila dyan. And also accepting ideas coming from the others, are really too good at it. Meron pa akong dagdag na information when it comes to sex education. Dito sa Belgium, guys, dito kasi they are open to that. At saka isa yan sa mga subject nila dito sa school. So mostly guys, sa school tinuturo na sa kanila yung sex education at an early age. Hindi nila tinitingnan yung bad side of it. But actually, they are looking at the good side of it, to being aware, guys, of, let's say, for example, if gawin mo yan, so, ang mangyayari, ganito yung magiging consequences. So, napaalam na yan sa mga kabataan dito at an early age. Kasi, para maging aware sila. Kasi, ang belief dito sa Belgium, pagka, guys, tinago mo siya, at saka hindi mo siya in-explain ng maayos sa mga bata, so, they will discover it on their own. Parang, at saka magtatago sila. Itatago nila yung mga ganun. So, ayan lang, guys. So, i-repeat ko ulit sa inyo. Sasabihin ko ulit sa inyo kung ano yung mga mainly character traits ng Belgians. So, unang-una, yung pagiging tolerant nila. Secondly is being flexible. Ang pangatlo is pagiging open-minded. At saka yung pangapat is pagiging modest. Yun. So, ayun guys. I hope nag-learn kayo sa aming videos. Though there are more of examples to that. But those are based on my experience, guys. So, salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye. At saka si pasensya na kayo. May background sound na ako dito. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, guys. See you the next time. Be good. Be nice. God bless you. Bye-bye.